Hello?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, they get you now because we go off small. Yes, come. Yes, go ahead.
Do you get me?
Yeah, they get you now. Yes.
Yes, now I've called Oscar. The problem is that they can't forget search. The opponent see them, they say they're not open quick. Jail for open by 7 o'clock to 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock or 6 as how they want them. But normal time from 7 to 4 or 7 to 5. But at times open as how they people open, they lock how they people lock. So you don't pass 8 o'clock, they're not open the jail. The opponent begin knock, but they knock, you are in a jail. The opponent say, "Bo, for now, open for lock, open up, put it because imagine people they sleep with them, put them inside, sometimes 6 man a cell, 7 man a cell, then go down toilet or wet inside the food, they don't flop, let them go empty their money, they don't agree. So anybody see them come for can start again. How that jail open, me is a surprise to me. Because I know say, not inmate no will open the jail from inside. First they open it from outside. So that open, no. I just see now heavy noise from outside. Me, I guess outside example myself, I saw these boys. They become very desperate. They don't become angry. That's between by force and blinding. They all combine kind of Howard. They can break Howard. You put them all the inmate them. Can now class to separate Palodi. They broke the wall them build because they don't isolate with them jail inside jail. They build special wall between me and Palo. All of them meet. They only not inmate. The one they can break in. They open the Domot Fabi with threatening. The only person you can arrest at that moment now late Tanibola, may his soul rest in peace. Now you got your people them, we can snap and challenge them or inmate them. Then I'm looking at they send them for clear, they can kill, they can challenge, and first can rescue. The late Tanibola, we can between themselves now, inmate to inmate, then begin so they say, no, this one will kill them. Now you can first rescue you inmate, we get small breathing space. Then we see now humiliation. Without can put test. The can't time come before because everyone collapse. Because imagine you angry over how many hundred people are going for you. Then one thing instead of coming out by force. Let me tell you, I say we know the command do. I say because we know we don't kill this year for we then set I say we know the command do. I say but when I command do, I don't see you and get for power. They can't say they already don't track from before because they do. Now God to make one part of the begin fire. He killed some people and almost scatter. Then come before run back to me. We all go for our other tell 18 a crack scene. We go there now. We go log the over 45. We are in hostage. Would I hold cutlass? Would I hold knife? Would I hold sword against you in the territory? But we will maybe just stood up and talk to them and say, "Boom, but I kill you. I just want to kill you for that because we said in a jail. When I tell them jail, we in the solitary confinement. So not to we. When I ask the prison, we not get no fault for this. What happen so until the rescue team come. Imagine 2 hours. That thing start from 8 o'clock. They don't come for rescue till 10 o'clock because they will say if they not die by gunshots, the inmate they gonna kill we. Imagine the Palema road was well secured with over 300 police and soldiers around the building. They block Palema road, not no go area. Riots happen in a jail. They cannot go in there and stop that riot because they feel say that riot for not eliminating and follow content. Period. Eliminate about Julian Abubakar Drami. So they are cool. So somebody they go now, they say not to be they will be they don't kill them. But as God can do, we survive all that kind of humiliation, all that kind of stress, all that kind of thing that they will survive in jail.
Wow, this is really, really remarkable and very, very sad story. I believe say even people who they watch the program right now, they feel very emotional. Una life really, really quite is when you see no so life na God getter, not a motor man getter, because the kind of danger una face in terms of even the inmates where they inside the force. Where if not like what you say no more Tanibola because they is soul rest in peace because himself we don't find out say he don't die, I die na God sabi. But I mean, this all.
Tanibola was more than I can tell you for free that medium. Tanibola was just shot during the riots. Tanibola was forced to die. Tanibola killed and killed him. I can say this thing because people for pay price of what happened at Palema Road. A lot of inmates they know to gunshot. They were murdered. I can say it without fear and favor. Tanibola was not shot. Was it a father without bleeding? No. Tanibola died 8 days after when that happened. He was forced to die.
Wow. I mean, this is very, very important, very, very serious because what thing we see, there plenty of we Sierra Leoneans all about now the worry and wonder the inmates and they will die because according to government figure, they say that 31 people they die. including one prison officer. But even at that number, the way he talks, when he talks, so that 31 people in there, how on earth then can people in how that will happen? When them people in there in detention, then they riots, and the security forces will come and decide for open fire. No, not fire, tear gas, rubber bullets, or anything like that. So many people they say I'm a summary execution. So like when you say 8 o'clock, when the security forces come, they don't talk to anybody or they just start open fire no more.
No, when they cannot talk to nobody, they came in with an aggression. They came with a plan. Say, they go for kill. You see soldiers are firing at civilians with joy. You see OS guys them firing at civilians with joy. But these are people who the president alone. I need them and will call their names. You see they fire with joy. Then they kill with impunity, chasing innocent civilians inside the jail. I can tell you, if I be prison break, if I don't see the outside for them to kill, they don't kill them immediately. If I be prison break. But this, it's in alliance within prison, not the possible LLP. In fact, it can happen at Parema Road, where it may become dissatisfied with what happened. They can make riot inside it, but they don't kill person. Because there are so many mechanisms for like stop the riot. But this time they allow to happen because they wanted us to die, so the people are infected and they will do it. If one next the situation when they got the jail, that had to about 300 soldiers and police today. Why not be entered in full force? Why not enter in party? Why not enter if I want to shut up? Because I got the rules of engagement. Why not party up? Or if I want to shut up so that people for free. They all man good tell. Why? If you have been break, now outside the block, you don't they're not killing nobody from outside the gate. Everybody was shot inside the yard. Everybody was shot inside the yard. Nobody was shot outside the yard. Nobody. In the 10th place.
Wow, this is really, I mean, this is an eye-opener, a very, very sad event now, the history of our country, because the way say no more, prison riots, there are plenty mechanism there for put people them under control. So, boku they no need for Kaikan far person for say, okay, because they riots. No, even a prison and a motorman like me and you now, we all are motorman then. We all are Sierra Leoneans then, now we brothers them. And now we see, subsequently, they go bury in a mass grave, and officer, the people, some people, they don't know self-life them. Relative loading and prison be there among, all these things have to be, now many people they call for a thorough inquiry for me and look into exactly what happened. Because what will be see after that particular break, they will see a speech where the president can make say, and the APC party is a terrorist party, and basically accuse the APC party, now they sponsor, now they organize, that they carry out the attack on Palemba Road. But fortunately, again, a report don't come out when the prison officers themselves do the investigation. They come say the APC party don't get nothing for do with this. In fact, they don't know nothing about this particular prison riot. And I believe say subsequently time will come where proper justice. Then people don't die. Justice, they must get justice, and justice must be dealt out because then a more man like we saying as Ghanaians them. They not deserve for die so they can't die so. Summary execution, all those sort of things.